Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create clear clipboard shortcut in Windows 10. Right-click New, Shortcut. Copy text from description and paste it. Click Next. Change the shortcut name. Click Finish. Right-click Shortcut, click Properties. Click Change icon. Type imagers.dll. Change shortcut icon. Click Apply, OK. Type Notepad in Windows search bar. Click Notepad. Double-click to execute shortcut. Clipboard cleared successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.